Do you love watches? Imagine getting one every single month. Dave Taylor here, and I had a chance to check out WatchGang, which is a Watch of the Month club. Now, anything of the month feels kind of retro, but watches, cool. I like watches. It's a great club for watch collectors. Turns out they have 3 tiers, but before we get there, let me tell you what I got. I actually signed up for 1 month of the black tier. So it costs 99 bucks for 1 month. You can sign up monthly, you can sign up for 3, 6, or 12 months. And of course, these make great gifts if you know someone that's a watch collector. But what I got for my $99 is a blacklist, and this is the Laguna Seca Steel SM014 watch. And it lists on their site for 299 bucks. So 299 buck watch for $99, it's a pretty good deal. And as you can see, it's pretty darn nice. Looks nice on my wrist. It's a simple, elegant racing style watch, no complications on it. In fact, literally no complications on it. It features, let's see, it's an 11mm thick case, and it's a carbon fiber dial, very cool. And it is luminescent, and the strap is stainless steel. I did have to get a couple of links taken out because my wrist apparently is not the maximum thickness wrist in the world. And it's a Swiss quartz movement with a Renata 377 battery, sapphire coated mineral glass, and it's water resistant to 10 atmospheres, which means you can go and dive 300 feet and this thing's still gonna be fine, which means for sure you're gonna be able to use it in your shower unless you have a shower that's at like super intense atmospheres, and that'd be really weird. So I'm sure you don't have that. So pretty simple, straightforward, elegant watch. I look at a lot of watches that tend to be very geeky or smart watch or stuff like that. This is just a watch. But if you're a watch fan, then this is exactly the kind of thing you like to get. Now, let's talk about WatchGang. So WatchGang has 3 tiers. There's the original tier, and for 29 bucks a month, you're gonna get a watch that's between $50 and $150 each time, and they're gonna be from companies like 111 and Elliott Havoc and Pulsar, right? Jump up to the black tier, and that's what I had, and then you have watches like Citizen, Armand Bossi, and Grayton, and those are supposed to be valued between $150 and $500. And like I said, this is $299, so that's definitely in that range. Now, if you really want to go all out, the platinum tier is $299 bucks a month, but you're going to get watches between $500 and $1,000 from companies like Out of Order, Maurice Lacroix, and Mercer. So there's some really nice watches here. Now, I will say, getting a watch every single month, that's a lot of watches. So unless you change watches every single day, you're gonna be pretty overwhelmed. You can, of course, just sort of roll the dice and do it for 1 month and see what you get. And you could also have it as maybe a gift or something, or you could sign up for like a month and then wait 6 months and then do another month, do something like that. So every so often you get a new gift, a new watch in the mail. How fun is that? It's really all I have to say. Watch of the Month is really fun. Go on their site. They have a ton of photos of all the different watches over the months. So my obvious question, since I only had a 1 month data sample, is what if next month's watch is a clunker? Then again, what if next month's watch is totally sweet and even better a fit for my tastes? Who knows? So you can check out their site. They also have a private Facebook group for watch traders. So once you join, it looks like you can join for a month and then you're in the group. So you can be trading watches. You get a watch if you got this and you said, I don't like blue. I wonder if someone got it in red. You might be able to trade straight with someone else. So that's kind of fun. But all in all, this is a site. This is a service. This is for people that are pretty hardcore watch collectors. And at this point, I have about 15 watches. So I seem to be becoming a watch collector. And I know that when I opened my box and I got this very nice blacklist box and opened it up and found this watch inside, I was definitely thinking, ooh, that one's nice. So apparently I am the target customer. Again, with the holiday seasons coming up and everything and birthdays, this is also a really fun sort of way to get someone a very fancy watch at a break in terms of the price. So a little rolling of the dice, a little bit of I'm not exactly sure what you'll get, but pretty fun nonetheless. So before I tell you the tiniest little bit of extra data of where you find these guys, let me ask if you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. In addition to watches, I review lots and lots of other stuff. I'm always straight, always honest, so it's good stuff, definitely worth watching, and I really appreciate when you subscribe. Cool, thank you. Now, learn more about WatchGang, find about their pricing, go and check out some of the watches they've had over the months, and you can find all that at WatchGang.com. As for me, I'm pretty psyched about this new watch, and I'm pretty sure this will be on my wrist for a good while yet. So, this is Dave Taylor, and I will catch you in my next video.